Good morning again. So, this is Steve, Education Day. Who wants to learn how to reprogram a transmission? I know, no one, but here we go. Getting into the realms of what you don't want to know. So, if you've got an Autel, etc., you can, right, so we just changed the clutch and flywheel on this automatic Citroën C4, okay? So this is what you got to do, okay? So you've changed all the parts. It's not like a normal manual. On an automatic, you've got to go into it. But don't forget to do this, people. So go hot functions, yeah, so you're gonna go into your Autel or Snap-on or whatever you got, yeah, and then we need to go into I want to do that, but it's transmission adaptation, but it's clutch, but it's transmission adaptation. Yeah, let's go that one. There we go, found it. You see, this is what you call YouTube mechanics. I'm going to snip this video down. Ah, dear me. Come on. I should have put this Snap-on on. It's so much quicker. So much quicker. And I don't want to do that anyway. Ah, you bellend, Steve. Come on, right, now. Let's go back into clutch then, shall we? That's a good idea. So we need to program the transmission to then learn the gears again. I know. You'd think it would just know, but no. The Citroën being Citroën goes, oh no, I need to know what I have to do. It's not supported by the ECU. Let me try it again. So what you got to do is like go into diagnosis mode, but rather than do an auto scan, then go into control unit. See, I can find my way. Automatic or piloted manual transmission. So, waiting for my computer. Boom. Come on, boom, boom. Oh my God, the time, the ages. Waiting, still waiting. There we go. You see, then what we need to do is do special function because we're doing a special function. Ooh, pack selection. Sounds interesting. Parts replacement. There we go. And then you get a shitload of stuff. Okay. Now, I've already done the removal, installation, replacement of the transmission. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. However, I've already done that. And then I learned it, but then sometimes you need to do it twice. Yeah. Don't ask me why. It's just a stupid thing you have to do. So transmission programming, okay? So read a right counter, hydraulic depressurization. You're like, oh man, Steve, you know all of this. Nah, I just played with it before, so now I know. Transmission programming. There we go. So, and it's step by step of how not to cock it up, like I did yesterday. Okay, no problem at all. And so we're going to go like that. And then vehicle and engine stopped, ignition on. Yes, it is. Yeah, both okay. Hurry up. There we go. Now it's saying gearbox fault. Yeah, we'll do, because I've just like erased everything. So press OK. The next step will be vehicle on, vehicle and ignition on, vehicle and engine stopped. OK. Action in progress. There we go. Now I can hear clonk, 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 clonk. That's it going through its gears. As you can see here, look. See? It's going through the gears. Very clever, isn't it? Very, very clever. It's like, I already knew where the gears were, mate. So while that does that, we'll then get that. So turn the ignition off. Oh, shit, I nearly did that one. Ignition off. Okay. Please wait 59 seconds. Okay, I'm going to have to skip this video again. We continue. Ignition on. Hang on, it's not working. Ignition on, there we go. It's now finished. So, press OK. There we go. So, step, clutch, load, bearing point program. Before starting clutch, blah, 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 blah. Vehicle stopped, engine cold, engine running, ignition on. Right, so let's start the car. Engine is cold. Absolutely tootly-doodly. Okay. Action in progress. I don't know what we're actioning, but we're in progress. Ooh! Turn the ignition off and validate. Ignition off. Press OK. Oh, what is it? It's like a billion-part video. Turn the ignition back on. So I turn the ignition back on. Then press OK. The programming of the clutch point of light contact is completed. I know, it's because I'm a genius. Press OK. Right, now this is the next bit, okay? This is what I cocked up on yesterday because, like, you know, anyway. All right, before start of the clutch transmission programming, the vehicle must be in configuration below. Vehicle stopped, ignition on, engine running for 20 minutes in neutral position. Okay? So I shall set a timer for 20 minutes. Do not stop the engine to allow the clutch temperatures to stabilize. At the same temperature as the engine. Do not stop the engine to allow the clutch temperature to stabilize at the same temperature as the engine. The programming must be performed in automatic mode and with the engine on during the drive. Select automatic mode at the gear lever. In other words, just put it into drive, people, yeah, after 20 minutes, yeah? Starting first, accelerate quickly in the engine torque zone between 80 and 140 Newton meters. How the fuck am I going to know what the Newton meters are? Anyway, put your foot down until it goes to second gear, yeah? And then brake. Perform the braking of vehicle until stationary. Repeat this process 4 times, okay? Wait 5 minutes in neutral without turning off the engine. Then repeat the entire procedure 3 times, yeah? Drive the vehicle, changing through all the gears in automatic mode to ensure that there's no hesitation or snatching, no slipping, no delays present or gear changing, especially going from second to third. If okay, turn the ignition off to memorize the installation, wait for 60 seconds, perform road test to validate the story. You have to remember all of that. If not okay, this is where I cocked up, yeah? Wait for 10 minutes in gear neutral without stopping the engine. I may have stopped the engine, yeah? Because I'm a bell end. Starting first, accelerate quickly, blah, 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 and do the same thing again, okay? So, now I've got a customer coming to pick up a car any minute. So I should be all right to get this going. Engine running for 20 minutes in neutral position. Right, let's start the engine and put a timer for 20. Completed! I know, genius. I followed the instructions. I mean, how fucking hard is that? Yeah, so then I did the drive, had to stop, drive, 5 minutes, drive. Man, it's a ball ache. No wonder like people charge a lot of money to do that sort of thing. But it's a bit of patience. It's fine. And it's now parked over at the workshop, ready to be valeted now. All programmed, all good. Mwah. See? YouTube helper.